Ramogi ka wasudo en ni kweth mar jokedo ne ratich oganda kotelne kod riwruok mar Elimu Bora Working Group onyiso doho mondo ochiw ler ewi bura mane gimako ka gikwedo lai manyien mar chiwo sir mag omenda ne jopuonjre mag mbalariany. Gikoni lai no koti kode kaka en odhi kelo pek ne jopuonjre mawuok e familia mochando mani kod riyo mar yudo somo e mbalariany.
We have a case in court. If you really feel for those Kenyans, kindly look for a way to ensure that this case is heard and determined in the soonest time possible. You cannot be going out telling Kenyans you feel for them, but in real sense, our case is sitting in your courts without, if every time the case is coming for mention, we are being given an extension. Kenyans need to know what is the way forward.
Students are set to return to school tomorrow, but there is no assurance that all will make it to class. The new education funding model has already locked thousands of learners out of quality education, and there is impending teacher strike that threatens to worsen the situation. Kenyans rightfully aspire to a quality and accessible education, but the current funding system deepens socio-economic inequality.
Among the very first things that we were raising is, how did this funding model come into being? Was there public participation? Why would it be rushed in that manner? What cure was it bringing to the financing of education at higher education level?